The new GPS Pi Slice GPS module boards feature a GPS receiver for positioning, an IMU motion sensor for absolute orientation, and a barometric pressure sensor for relative altitude measurement, all together in a Raspberry Pi friendly pHAT format. The two GPS Pi slices each feature a different GPS receiver. The L80 has a patch on top antenna. The GMM has a low-profile miniature receiver. They are combined on the board with a BNO055 9 degree of freedom IMU motion sensor. This combines a triaxial accelerometer, a triaxial gyroscope, and a triaxial magnetometer in a single package with an ARM microcontroller which runs the sensor fusion algorithms to generate 3-axis absolute orientation in the form of Euler angles or quaternions, with no need for any calculations to be done on the Raspberry Pi. In addition, the MS5637 barometric pressure sensor allows measurement of relative altitude suitable for a wide range of applications. Each slice module features the standard Raspberry Pi 40-pin GPIO connector. Power comes from the Raspberry Pi via an onboard regulator. The GPS receiver connects via the Raspberry Pi serial port. The BNO055 IMU and the MS5637 pressure sensor connect via I2C. There are LEDs for power, GPS fix and status. I/O pins are available for control button inputs and the BNO055 interrupt and reset pins. An external GPS antenna can be attached either via the built-in U.FL connector or with the addition of an SMA or MCX connector. The pHAT format GPS Pi Slice GPS modules are compatible with all Raspberry Pi boards with the standard 40-pin GPIO connector. A 40-way female header and 4 spacers are supplied for mounting the slice module to the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi friendly pHAT format of the GPS Pi Slice allows it to replace the clutter of several breakout boards with a single application-ready module. The accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer in the BNO055 have their outputs fused by the integrated microcontroller, so the Raspberry Pi only has to read the orientation via I2C. Alternatively, it is also possible to read the raw data from the individual sensors and either combine these in your own custom algorithm or use the output of only one sensor, such as the accelerometer. The only example software support available for the slice modules are simple interfacing routines written in C. These routines only demonstrate how to communicate with, set up and control the GPS receiver BNO055 and MS5637. No application-specific code or GPS IMU fusion code is available. The Cube example program uses the IMU output of the BNO055 to animate an OpenGL cube. This allows the easy visualization of the BNO055 sensor data. The motion of the cube comes from the quaternion-derived Euler angles representing pitch, roll, and magnetic heading. The front face of the cube always points to magnetic north when the sensor is properly calibrated. For more details of the GPS Pi Slice GPS module boards, please visit our website gps-pi.com.